So now I'm going to start what is a lambda function. So it is very important function in the Python. Like it is an anonymous function and how you can use it. So I'm going to start it. So before that, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. I will be coming with upgraded videos of latest technologies. So what is a lambda function? So as I told you, lambda is a anonymous function. So lambda works like lambda keyword with arguments, semicolon with expressions. So here you cannot provide multiple expressions. So at a time you have to provide only one expression. Lambda will use for small expressions, not for long expression. Please keep in mind. So I'm going to explain how it is work. So let me comment it. So suppose you have one function, addition function. Suppose you have a one definition of function. You defined one function name, sum. Sum is a function name, and in the function name you take two argument a comma b with two parameter a b. So I am going to return a plus b, and now I am going to call this function sum of ab, and now I have to provide the argument. Suppose I want to add two numbers, so I want to add 5 comma 6. I want to addition of two numbers. So when I'll run it, what it will happen? So let me run it. I am clearing the screen. Just run it. So it is not running properly. Let me just delete this and let me just clear this screen and run from here. So it's not providing anything because it's provide the written A and B option here. Function caller, like it's giving me here 11. So let me show you. It will provide me the function object here. Why I'm used return keyword. So let me just run it again. Like it provided me 11. So how it provided me 11. So let me just show you because I have taken return keyword here. So return keyword give the output like in the sum caller function. So it's given the output of 11 here. So I printed it. It's given 11. So if means you cannot directly print. So best practice, you take one variable, any variable. You can take obj object variable here, and you can just print object here. Now you have to print it. So here 11 is coming. So the same thing we can do with the lambda function. So let me just show you. So we have defined, so so in the lambda function there is no need to define anything. You have to just use lambda and with the expression. So I am going to give the expression 5 and 6. So expression contains the variable name a and b. So I am taking a comma b here, and function start with semicolon. I use semicolon here, and now I am taking expression. I am taking expression a plus b because I am just adding two number a plus b. So by default return keyword by default already here in the lambda function. There is no need to write here. So now this is a function. Now we need to call it like sum. So we need to define one object. So suppose I am defining one obj object is equal to lambda, and now inside the object we need to just call two numbers. Suppose I am calling 5 comma 6, 5 comma 6, and now we need to print that object. So we need to print it like this. And when I just run it, you'll find 11 and 11 because this above function's giving output is 11 and this function output given 11. So this is a anonymous function, means the smallest function with there is no need to write this 4, 5, 6 line code. You need to just write only one line code and you can just give your output. So I am just replacing this this one with obj and I am removing this. Now I am commenting this also, this function also, as you understood all the things. So let me just comment this, only this. So I commented all the things. I am just going to just run it this function. Let me just run. So after running, it's giving me an object of this function. So I replace this code object into here. So after that, so it's providing me the object of this lambda function. So now we need to give the output of, so we need to just use the round bracket because we need to separate this this lambda function with this arguments. So let me just again run it and you will get the output of 11. Let me just clear the screen and just print it again. So now you will getting 11. So with the using of lambda function, you can just get like this. So you can use different type of things. You can just use multiplication here. You can use like I am just use multiplication. You can dividation or a different type of expression. You can just use the square like this. So like this type of things you can just do. Also, you can just make your default arguments. Suppose I am just making as a default arguments. If you are not seeing the arguments video, please go and just see the arguments video. I already made this. So I am just provided b is equal to 1 as a default. All already provided b is equal to 6. So there is no need to just provide 6 here because of I provided b is equal to 6. So let me again run. So it's giving me 30 because I'm giving a multiplication. And if I'm not, if I'm again giving 7, so the priority it will take the 7. It is not taking 6. So now 5 into 7 is 35. So this is a lambda function introduction. So I am going to make another video for how lambda works with the practical way in the Python script. So please watch our series of video as well as please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.